Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick video of the Sterling fan. Hope I can finish this up, because you saw that it will spin, but it does need oil badly. I finally got around to popping this back cover off, which you can see if this camera will focus. But yeah, so I'm going to drop a couple drops of 3-1 in it and see what we can do. Okay, it's there, and I can't really depend on looking at the camera, because there we go, because this thing will not stay focused. Let me put another drop in it just for, there we go, and I'm going to let that sit for a bit. Okay, so I tell I'm spinning it and it's not scraping or anything, so I think we're good to go. Then put this cover back on, and then we'll plug it up and give it a go. And yet another roadblock. This cord is literally frayed at the plug. So yeah, this isn't going to work either. What was that song? 3 steps forward, 2 steps back? Yeah, that's the story of my life. Like running on empty. Everything else. So it looks like I'm going to have to get another plug. Alright, I got the plug replaced. These I remember buying years ago, but they stopped making them due to safety concerns. And I had to get this off the flea bay, and I've forgotten how to do it, but either way, it's done. It's complete. So what I'm going to plug this thing back in that meter, and we'll see what we got. Anyways, if I can see what the information says. It's supposed to, like I said, it's a catalog 2007, and it runs 0.9 amps, 50-60 cycles, and I think it says 100 watts. No, 105 volts. But yeah, 0.9 of an amp. And so I'm having to read this because, like I said, this camera's not cooperating. But I guess it's actually 0.6 of an amp, so oh well. Well, either way, here we go. Right, I killed it. I fucking killed it. I mean, the thing is on, and I fucking killed it. Oh, fuck me. Hard. With a spoon. Okay, after about another half hour, I found another plug. And I swear, if this don't work, I'm chucking it, because I can't. Seems like nothing goes right. So, we just want to see how well it works. So, here we go. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so I guess it wasn't, because it was the first plug. It didn't pinch the wire. We're running 738 watts. And under specs, so we're good. And check the spin down time now. Perfect. No grinding, no rumbling, just perfect spin down. So yeah, that looks like it's ready to go. This could be ready to go. So yeah. So next time, wherever it is, Eskie, thanks for watching. Comment box is open.